All right, guys, we are here today with
Daniela.
And she is gonna learn how to
Turn.
Today, we're gonna teach her how to turn. So she just learned how to ride the board. She just found out that she is left foot forward, right?
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah. Left foot forward and brand new skater, just getting used to the board. So actually, before we even get into turning, we gotta work on the just a little more pushing and getting comfortable. But where we're going with this is you're gonna be standing on the board and then you're gonna have your knees bent, your hips bent, your shoulders gonna be going in the direction you need. Your shoulders also in line with your feet, right? Mm-hmm. And then you're gonna lean to your toes, lean to your back. If you lean to your toes, you're gonna turn left. If you lean back, you're gonna turn right. Okay. So yeah, you can practice that there. Yeah, wait, yeah. See how my knees are still bent?
Yeah.
Yeah, like my weight shifts back, but my knees are still bent. Mm-hmm. So when you're going backwards, you're going like this. Oh, that's a no-no.
Okay.
Because that's,
it's just like changing the weight.
Yeah, you're just changing the weight. Your weight distribution is on the toes, you're turning left. On the heels, you're turning right. If we need to, I will loosen these trucks up for you. You just pushed a little bit, then took a little break. Now, probably I should hold, right?
I don't know.
What do you think?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm so scared.
I'm out of here. You got it.
I'm so scared again.
Okay.
Yeah, I did the same thing again.
Straight back into that, making me nervous.
You're making me nervous.
Okay, I'm not here. I'm not saying nothing. Yeah, good. There you go. Perfect.
I lost momentum.
Yeah, now watch out because you're stepping too far onto the nose. So if you step your back foot off, yeah, there you go. So you hit that crack.
Yeah.
Good. Now, you're already doing it. There, good. There you go. See?
Yeah.
You just lean a little bit and you'll turn.
Okay. Okay.
I was gonna pull you, but go ahead. You don't need me. I'm not even here. Just give it a push. Push, and then bend the knees, bend the hips, turn. Good. Yeah, lean to the toes. Yep. She's like, toes, heels. Now, go that way, and we're gonna lean to the toes, and we're gonna turn. You ready for me to loosen it, or what do you think?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, okay. As you get more comfortable, you're gonna take the skate tool, and you're gonna put it on there, and you're gonna loosen this right here to the left. That is gonna make it easier to turn because there's less weight required on this truck to make it turn.
What would happen if you had one really tight one and one really loose one?
I'm sure there's people that do, yeah. Maybe not really tight and really loose. So first, before you give it a push, stand on there and give it a little teeter-totter. See if it's way different.
Yeah.
Is it way different?
Yeah.
Is it wobbly?
Yeah, it is.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, same thing. Give it a push, lean to the toes, turn to your, well, this will be to your right.
Okay.
Good? Lean to the toes. You like go one way, then you like compensate. Yeah. Just like slowly, your upper body also leaning in that direction. You can even just stand still and just go like forward. And what we're looking for here is, you see how like the wheel gets closer to the board? Watch.
Yeah.
See that? That's what you're going for. There's not really much going on here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, not much force, but just, it's enough for sure. Okay, to the toes. But keep your knees bent. Always keep your knees bent. Yep. Okay, good. Now, send it back. Good. Very good. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know why you're laughing.
It feels funny.
Good? Good?
I find myself like stepping on my tippy toes.
Yeah, you can. Like, it's interesting that you point that out. I think a lot of skaters, they always are on the ball of their foot right here. Oh. Always up. For some reason, you're just like better balanced in that position. Yeah. First try. Okay, now lean towards me. Good, good, good. Look at that.
Yay,
you made a whole turn. We need like a little obstacle course. Now you'll follow me and then I'll like go to your left and then you turn towards that way. Okay, now to your heels. Good, good. Bend your knees, bend your knees. Good, don't turn your upper body though.
That's true.
Good, that was good. Yeah, that was good, you got it.
Yeah.
That was easy money, first try. Good, now again, give it another push. Good. Woo. Good, look at you, pro. Okay, toe the toes.
I stopped.
Give it another push and then. Good, to the toes. Yeah, good, good.
Oh my God.
You got it. You went all the way around this.
I'm so good.
You're so good. Now give it another push. Now to the heels.
Ah, this one's hard.
Yeah, the heels are harder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
That was so good.
That was so good. You're starting to get it.
Yeah.
Soon you'll be rip sticking.
my other dream.
She said, do you know how to ripstick? I said, yeah. She says, wow, that's my dream. Good? That was good.
Yeah.
She turned right around it. Chloe, I think she has this.
I think so too.
Now I'm gonna advance you to the next level. We're gonna start with a practice step. You're gonna go like this. Is that hard? Okay, all my weight's on my front foot here, and then I'm gonna shift it to my back, and I'm gonna step onto my back foot, just like that, and bend this knee.
Okay.
Okay, there was a lot going on there. I'm gonna hold you. Back foot here to the tail, and be on the ball of your foot. Yeah, more balance on the ball. Both balls, actually. Okay, ready? Now bend this knee, transfer your weight here. Ready? Good. We're gonna do it again. You're gonna do it faster. Ready?
1, 2.
Good. Even faster. We are like in slow-mo.
Yeah, you do it.
And you're also, your weight is very much like this. And you're going rather slow. Whereas like, well, I'm just gonna bend this knee, watch. Just, boom.
Yeah.
And you're standing on the ground here, so you're very stable. Plus I'm holding you, so we're good. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Good, again. Good. Good. Perfect. How does that feel?
Good.
Yeah, good, right?
Yeah.
See, now you're starting to get used to like how the skateboard moves. Okay, good? Okay, good. You got it?
Yeah.
Can you do it without me there?
Yeah.
Oh! First try. Okay, go right here. Achoo! Now, we're just gonna do the ever so slightest little, just do the up and down though first, a little bit more. Just the bend of the knee. Good, down, good, again, up, down, good, I think you got that.
Yeah.
Now, turn your shoulders just a little bit and then your feet just a little bit when you lift up.
But I don't go down to the ground completely.
No, just this, yeah, good, just like that, good. Good! Yes, looking so cool.
Okay, good.
Okay, again.
Oh.
Okay, that was a good lesson. I saw that coming, I wanted you to learn it. So remember you have to be in the middle. If you're standing on the nose or tail, it'll go like that. So step your front foot on first. Oh wait, so weird, I forgot. Your left foot forward.
Right.
Okay, so
But
we're
does it
doing this
matter?
backwards. Yeah, it totally matters, because you have to push and then do this. So, you see?
Okay,
Put your
yeah.
front foot on, then your back foot. That was pretty good. So you basically learned that switch. Very well done. Good. That should be easier. Is it easier?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here, I'll have you doing it the hard way. Okay, good. You got it. I'm going to let you go, and you do that 3 times. Oh, you're turning. Okay, that's easy.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it. So this is called a backside kick turn. Your first trick, backside kick turn. It's best if you do the jazz hands.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it. See if you can do a whole 360.
Nope.
Yeah, you're good. Hashtag better than Chloe. Okay, that was good.
Woo!
Good, now go the other way.
With the other foot?
No, not the other foot, the other direction.
I
So
was going
back
this
side
way.
is this, front side is this. Is that
That's
harder?
harder.
It is harder, yeah. Yeah, generally this is the direction you can't see. First try, full 360.
Yay!
Yay! Very well done.
Good.
Now you're gonna give a push and do the backside. You're more comfortable backside, do the backside first.
This side.
Yeah, let me show you. So I'm gonna do it the way that you skate, not the way that I skate. So
Okay.
you're gonna give it a little push, and then you're just gonna go. Just tiny little taps. These are the 2 different ways to turn. There is the leaning turn and then the kick turn way. And I just wanted to get her really comfortable with both ways, because the more she's comfortable with that board, she's gonna progress faster, faster, faster. Good.
Ah! Ow.
You okay?
Yeah.
What hurts?
My butt.
Yeah, you got a hipper. We should have put the hip pads on.
Oh, you have some?
Yeah, we do. Thank
Thank
you. Okay, what happened there?
I think I stepped too much on the back and then it just slipped.
Yeah, and I think you're getting into the mode where your upper body's going like that. You always want to have your shoulders squared up. Like if you're gonna turn, then your legs need to like pretty quickly follow. I think you were a little twisted and that's what
Yeah.
threw you off.
Yeah.
And it was twisted that way and then whoo,
That's true.
knees bend the knees. But now you're not so nervous, right?
No.
Good? Tiny kick turns.
There you go.
Good. Good exit. You want to keep that front foot off the nose.
Okay.
So that's what happened is you went, woo, which is another good trick to learn, the crab walk. Okay, do it again. You're doing good. Good, bend your knees, bend at the hips. Yeah, good. Good. Good, now exit. Good. Well played. Now you're gonna do the same thing, turn the other direction.
Ooh.
I know, this is where it's scary. Remember, keep your shoulders squared up. Good, good. Yep, yep, this one's scary.
Yeah. It's not doing it.
Good. It will help you to be on the balls of both feet, actually. I mean, I think you pretty much got it at this point. You're doing really good. Good.
Ooh.
Yeah, watch that. You're doing this thing where you're, instead of like turning like this, you're turning your foot like that.
Oh.
So you're kind of like sliding it a little bit, which is pretty hard to do actually. If your back foot is on there and you lift up, your board will stay to your foot the whole time.
Yeah.
Because your weight is distributed in such a way. So even if you try to lift off, it shouldn't lift off. So which shows me that you're a little bit like this, and then you're trying to turn.
Oh.
So keep your back foot,
more
on the tail. Good, yeah. Your back foot is like this almost, which doesn't give you much control point. You want to be on the toes. Good. 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 Yeah.
You did it.
You did it! First try!
Yay.
All right, well played. If I were you, now I would be pushing everywhere. I would do as many little turns as possible.
Yeah.
You work on the front side a little bit every day,
Yeah.
but mostly what you want to do is just ride and just do those turns and get comfortable. You can do a little bit of a leaning turn, you know? Because once you can do all of that, you could basically roll around wherever you like. And that's what you're trying to get most comfortable into that mode. Does that make sense?
It does, yeah.
Okay, good. You want to do another tour?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Now she's addicted, so we'll just let her skate. Yeah! Woo!
Yay!
Yeah! Eject!
Ow! Ah!
You okay?
Yeah.
Saw that coming.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Another way, the thing you want to avoid a lot, you really want to avoid when you're on it and you start to feel yourself going, no twisting.
Yeah, I felt that.
Yeah, don't twist your knees, don't twist your ankles. If you're going down, just sit down. Try to not like stop yourself, but really the key to falling is you're gonna just tuck and roll. You do the tuck and roll. Because yeah, it's scary because you can twist a knee and pop something or an ankle. Okay, keep the knees bent, keep it safe. She does have knee pads, elbow pads. The knee pads are underneath the pants. Okay, good. I get nervous when you're close to this. I just want to go eject, eject.
I get nervous too. Knees, the body.
Yep. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay, good, that's good. Killing it. Good, you're doing great.
Yay.
I think you got it.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like that guy.
Yeah, that's you in like 3 weeks.
Good.
Got any questions?
No, just what if there's not a skate park near where I live? Where should I practice?
If there's not a skate park, go onto the sidewalks, go onto the street, anywhere you can. Especially where you're at right now. You should just skate to the store, skate to school, skate wherever you're going, just skate there.
Okay, good. Yes. Yay.
Well done. So now you have to give them some inspiration. All the people out there that want to try, but they're scared.
You'll fall. It's fine. It really doesn't hurt, especially if you have like the protective gear. And just have someone to like motivate you and be there with you when you think you don't, like you're not able to. You'll be fine.
And we're here to motivate you, and we're here for you. You got this. Don't give up. You guys keep going. We hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
So good. Yay!